On today's show, Apple versus Fortnite ramps up, Apple Care Plus gets an extension, and Apple begins production of their iPhone 12 launch event in Cupertino. This is the Apple Daily, where I round up all of the day's Apple news, leaks and rumours at 12 UTC.
This is the Apple Daily.
I'm David from Living on iPad, and if you love Apple news, hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure you ring the bell so you don't miss a thing. Following Fortnite's removal from the App Store earlier last week, Epic has now announced that Apple has rescinded their developer tools and developer status from the end of August. Now this means a few things. Number one, they won't be able to update the apps. It may remove the certificates that are already on apps on people's devices. It may also mean that Epic can't maintain another of their products, the Unreal Engine, which powers a great deal of apps in the App Store. It's a 3D engine, rendering engine that's used in multiple games. It seems very much that Epic, although they were expecting to be removed from the App Store and had the lawsuit ready, they were not expecting this and have filed with the court to try and prevent Apple from rescinding their developer accounts. Apple extends the Apple Care window for the US and Canada. Apple has increased the size of the window from purchasing a device to the maximum length of time when you can buy Apple Care Plus for devices from 60 days to a full year in the US and Canada. That means that you don't need to commit at the time of buying now to adding Apple Care Plus to your device. You've got a full year to see how the device is holding up, and that is a real win for consumers. Reporting on this comes via Bloomberg, who apparently had access to an internal memo on the subject. Apple begins production of the iPhone 12 launch event in Cupertino, California. According to Leaks Apple Pro on Twitter, Apple have begun filming and producing their launch event ready for this October. Every year, Apple has traditionally put on a keynote to announce the latest iPhones, iPads and Apple Watch products. This year, as with WWDC, it's expected that they'll be doing a digital event rather than an in-person auditorium full of people because of COVID-19, so this all makes a lot of sense, although it doesn't rule out an in-person press event because Apple always produces a lot of footage that is cut into those events as it is. However, my money is still on an all-digital Apple special event this October. Thanks for watching, and make sure to follow Living on iPad on all the social networks in order to keep bang up to date on everything going on in the world of Apple.